primary reason why people install automatic gates in Brisbane is for security. It's important to keep your pets and young children safely inside your property. Equally, it's important to keep predators outside your property boundary. The next most popular reason for installing automatic gates in Brisbane is convenience. You can stay conveniently and safely in your car until you are inside your property boundary with the gate closed securely. Not only is it a plus for security and safety, but it's also a big benefit during inclement weather. So whether you're looking for gates in Brisbane's north side or south side, we've got you covered with automatic driveway gates, automatic swing gates, sliding gates and cantilevered gates. In fact, we've got an automatic gate for every purpose. Our experienced automatic gate technicians will help you to select the solution that is just right for you and your family. As well as residential automatic gates, we also have a range of commercial automatic gate solutions for Brisbane businesses. So give us a call today on 07 3477 9898.